What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to practice flying jets in Battlefield 6 custom game. So it's really easy to do. First of all, go to the community section. Under it, select search experiences. Then search for the experience you wanna have. So I wanna practice flying jets. So I'll just search here jets like so and then hit enter on your keyboard. Now it will show you all of the jet servers. So what we need to do, we need to sort it by the most popular or most liked server. So I wanna go for most liked one, and you can see this one has 8000 likes, which proves that it is a very good server. So we can just select that from here, and to join it, click on host. Now scroll down to the bottom and then you will be able to see this host option. In case you wanna play with online players, then you can select this option, and in case you just wanna practice by yourself, then select the host locally option, which means that you will be the only person who will be available in that server. So I'll just select that option from here, and it will take you right away to that server without wasting any more time, cause we joined this server through search experiences. In case we had joined this server through browse servers, then bunch of online players will be available and it will take some time to join to that server. In most cases that felt so much time, so that's why I prefer joining through search experiences. And as you can see, I am on this map. I can just go to this point, then hit spacebar on your keyboard, A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to deploy here. And then as you can see, bunch of helicopters are here, and to join or practice any jets, then you can see bunch of jets are here too. So I can just go over any of the jet and then enter the jet and start practicing jets in Battlefield 6. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.